What up, everybody? Back with another one. This was a very interesting day. Like, if y'all just stick with me, you're gonna see why. But I just want to bring y'all along. Here I am setting up, getting the water hose connected. And as you can see, rain began to fall. And I knew it when I was driving over here. I was passing a storm cloud, but it did slow up, which I'm grateful, but couldn't record as much content because I didn't want my phone to be drenched. So here I am knocking out the driveway. It's pretty straightforward, if I'm being honest. Like, look at the clouds, y'all. It wasn't lightning, it wasn't thundering, so thankfully, you know what I mean, it was just like some scattered showers, but still had to get it in. And so, man, I landed this job through essentially a renovation company. I know a guy who owns, and they finished his property for a family and needed some pressure washing services. So, man, I was grateful. Pulled up, was doing my thing, and so knocking out the driveway, then another angle to rinse down, but y'all can't get the full rinse down because you're gonna see why. But we just gonna roll with it anyway. So getting all those little angles, not the angles, the cracks and the little crevices, making sure all that dirty water is rinsed down good. And there you go. The wind or something knocked down my camera. I ain't really realize it until later, but that happens from time to time. And so, all right, now I am a little flex on y'all. Hitting up the sidewalk area. I already had their cleaning solution dwelling on there because they already do some of the eating up on that organic. So let that sit and marinate. So by the time I get the surface cleaner, it's a little easier. So starting uphill, if you will, going down with the surface cleaner. And I got a 4 gallon per minute surface cleaner. I'm not a surface cleaner, 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. And I got a 16-inch surface cleaner. So I can't go super fast because I don't want to leave, a lot of those lines. And so you do have to, adjust your pace accordingly based on your machine, based on your surface cleaner, and sometimes based on how dirty the surface is. And so I always try to go at a decent speed, but not too fast and not too slow. But regardless, I always do like a pre-treatment. I'm sorry, not a pre-treatment, a post-treatment towards the end. So couldn't get a rinse down, but here y'all go with a little recap. You see the before, really dirty, man. Need a lot of TLC. And here's the after. Huge transformation, man. The sun was shining, got the concrete popping. Great transformation. I ain't even put the post treatment on yet. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe. Until next time, take care.